If you want to collect more specific information from your leads or customers in GoHighLevel, don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a custom field in GoHighLevel so you can track exactly what matters to your business, even you have never used custom fields before. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link of the GoHighLevel and for the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So you can easily check that out from the description. Now let's get back to the video. Now once you are inside your GoHighLevel account, just go to the settings from this bottom. Now scroll down and look for this custom field. Now you can see there is a lot of custom fields inbuilt. So to add a new one, just click on this add field. Now you can see there are some custom field pre-built. Then I'm just selecting, let's say, number for this tutorial video and click on this next. Now give it a name, then just set a group from this drop down. Okay, let's set for this general information. Now click on this save. Now scroll down and you can see this is the new field we have added earlier. Now you can use this in your funnel, you can use this in your website or anywhere you want to add. So that's it basically. Your custom field is now live in GoHighLevel. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.